how you can fix the application was unable to start correctly error on your PC. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let me explain the problem to you first. So what happens is when you try to launch your Epic Games launcher, this error pops up, the 0xC0000007B. Now this error occurs, so I'll teach you guys how to fix it. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to your C drive. Now go to your C drive first and open up your programs file. Now after you open your programs file, just search your Epic Games launcher. It's right here. Open it up. Now you need to go to this file, that is DirectX Redist, and after you open it, you will see a .cab file. Now I don't have it right now because I'm not facing the problem. But when you see the .cab file, you'll just have to export it. Just open it up and export all the .ddl files. Now the .ddl files will look like this. And make sure that you export all of it, and it does not matter where you export it. And after you export it, you won't be facing this problem again. So that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.